Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Muhammad Ali and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about a very important topic related to the Muslim world and the future of the region. History tells us that nations go through difficult times, but strong nations never lose hope. Iran is a country that has faced many challenges, sanctions, political pressure, and international criticism. But despite all these difficulties, the nation continues to move forward with determination and resilience. Many people believe that the future of Iran will depend on unity, strength, and the ability to stand firm in difficult situations. Throughout history, we have seen that countries that remain united and focused eventually find their path to success. And that is why many supporters say with hope and confidence, Inshallah, victory will be Iran's destiny. This statement is not only about politics, it reflects the belief that perseverance, patience, and faith can help any nation overcome challenges. In the end, peace, stability, and progress are what every nation truly needs. And the future of the region will depend on wisdom, unity, and cooperation among Muslim countries. If you found this discussion interesting, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.